Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming you have the current phone, account password, and recovery email ready. This prevents lockout. Next, open the service's account settings or your carrier app and navigate to personal info or contact details. Once there, select the phone number field to edit. Make sure you have the new number and any SIM or carrier details handy for immediate verification. Doing this now saves steps later and ensures you can receive codes during the change process. Once you enter the new number, choose whether to receive a verification SMS or a phone call. Request the code and watch for delivery. When the code arrives, type it immediately and confirm the update so the system binds the number to your account. Make sure to update linked devices, authentication apps, and any app-specific numbers. If multiple services use that contact, adjust their settings now. This prevents future sign-in failures and keeps your security intact as the number propagates across systems. You finish by confirming the change. Sign out and back in, then check notifications and recovery options to ensure the new number appears everywhere. If you're porting the number, update carrier records and notify essential contacts and services. Make one key troubleshooting step now. If verification fails, immediately try the backup email or recovery phone option or contact carrier support for SIM/port issues. This prevents being locked out. Make sure recovery methods are current so you can restore access quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.